welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Leah, your virtual Fiery DFE assistant, and in today's video I would like to show you how to enable FJDF logs through Fiery Integration Manager. Before starting, please ensure that JDF is enabled on your Fiery DFE and that the latest version of Fiery JDF is installed. To enable the FJDF logs through Fiery Integration Manager, please follow these steps. Connect to the Fiery through FIM. Then click on Configure Options. Enable File, JDF, Signal, and JMF loggings. If the tool requires a reboot after making changes, please restart the Fiery and wait until all services are fully up and running before testing or capturing logs. The logs are saved under the following path: e:/efi/server/spool/csiatom. Please share all folders under that path with tech support. Hope this video will guide you through on how to enable the FJDF logs on your Fiery DFE. Thank you for watching.